In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize board views on Monday.com. Customizing your board views is one of the easiest ways to make Monday.com work the way you think and organize information. Instead of adjusting yourself to the default layout, you can tailor what you see, how it's grouped, and how it's colored so that the most important details stand out immediately. Let's start with the very first step, selecting the view you want to customize. At the top of your board, you'll see different view tabs, such as Main Table, Kanban, Calendar, or others you may have added. Go ahead and click on the specific view where you want to make changes. It's important to select the exact view you intend to adjust because each view can have its own unique settings and layout. Once you're on the right view, move your attention to the view header, which is the bar at the top of that view. On the right-hand side of this header, you'll find an option labeled Settings. Click on Settings to open up the customization panel. This is where you control how your information is displayed. If you don't see it right away, try expanding the window or looking for a small gear icon, depending on your layout. Inside the settings, you'll see parameters you can adjust, such as how items are grouped, how they're colored, and which columns are visible. For example, you might choose to group items by status, by owner, or by any other column that makes sense for your workflow. Grouping is useful when you want to see tasks organized by category, team member, or phase of a project. Next, you can use the color options to highlight information in a way that's easy to scan. You might color by status to quickly see what's stuck, what's in progress, and what's done, or color by priority so urgent tasks visually jump out at you. You can also decide which columns are visible in this particular view. If some columns are only useful occasionally, you can hide them here to keep your workspace clean and focused. Don't worry, hiding a column in a view doesn't delete any data. It just removes visual clutter so you see exactly what you need. When you're happy with your choices, you don't need to hunt for a big save button. Monday.com usually saves these changes automatically as you work. Simply close the settings panel and your customized view is ready to use. From now on, whenever you switch back to this view, it will remember the layout and preferences you just set up.